Okay, this one is a block sale. So there should be multiple.
More than one, anyway.
It started yesterday. It just started this morning, about 20 minutes ago, and it's on tomorrow too.
Okay.
Okay. Good. So just park in front of this one, I guess.
Yeah,
and then
might as well. Wow.
There's one up there.
Holy.
Wow. There's lots of stuff here.
Okay.
Let's go see.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Do I need that? It's kind of rough.
Get your mic closer to your mouth.
No. Yeah, I think I better, because I think I have another set of
something to mount.
antlers on. Yeah.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Not bad. This is a terrible job.
You might need a beer to help you through the day.
They might do that.
Yeah, nice, nice.
The mug we had for sale yesterday, it said conserve water, drink beer.
Yeah.
And then on the side it has the bell. So then it said ring for a
For refill or something?
Took it away and sold it on.
Oh no!
Somebody finally bought it. It's like if the number of people that looked at that thing, 'cause it's funny. They
Yeah.
use the black bell and it ring, ring. Probably could get annoying in the wrong hands.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Get more than a beer.
Yeah.
Especially after a couple of beers, eh? You
Yeah.
just start going on that thing.
Especially when I'm the driver, eh?
Yeah. Look at these this cookie pan. You make these guys, well, on a stick, I guess, or
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But-
yeah,
cookie pops.
that's funny.
It's hilarious.
Oh, it's like, what
I'm
are
on camera.
What are you doing? Stir sticks?
Oh yeah, yeah. And more there.
Yep.
From you'd probably be buying those if you still had your. I don't know about those ones. Maybe though.
Yeah,
They're more Christmas themed.
Yeah.
You had the little animals and stuff, glass stir sticks.
Yeah. I like these things.
Oh yeah, the fold out decorations.
Oh, I love them. It's so dumb. I don't know why. I
Pretty
like them.
funny.
I know.
It's like you and those and me and fruit. That's
Yeah.
the fake fruits, like that pumpkin.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I don't not need a fake pumpkin.
Did you see the pillow over there?
Oh no, I didn't.
Oh, one side. Oh, you have to look at it.
Oh,
It won't
okay.
spoil it for you then. Turn it over.
I'm in the mood and I have a headache. Yeah.
There's three more down that way.
Perfect.
Oh, okay. Wonderful. Can you hold that?
There's the lady right here has got the one down here.
Okay.
But he's selling jam.
Just coming to try and steal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big 50 cents.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You guys have a great
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, you
Yeah.
too.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. You too.
You.
Well, he's having a good time. Visiting with everybody.
Yeah. People.
Yeah. Yeah. He's happy.
Yeah.
Happy to be out there and
Yeah, he likes it.
chatting with everyone. Try not to take this lady out walking in the middle of the road.
Yeah. Well, there's no sidewalk.
No, there isn't.
So,
Can't really blame her.
well, there's a desk. Oh, and some, yeah, the gems and stuff. But we'll go to these ones first, I think. Okay.
Okay, check it out.
Ooh, you'd know that was yours.
Yeah,
When it came off.
no doubt, hey?
Carousel. Yeah. So we see lots of these trunks.
Oh, somebody wrote their name on it in permanent marker and now
Yeah.
they want to sell it.
Whoops. Such a cute little
Yeah, that's cool, isn't
sink.
it?
Yes.
Don't you have something like that in the loft already?
It's smaller.
Okay.
Yeah. But this one had
That one's so thick, yet the bowl is still small.
I know. It's nice.
What do you call that? The sink, I guess.
The basin, maybe?
Yeah, the basin. There you go. That's the word I was searching for.
Yeah, you have to put the water in the sink to get the right temperature.
Yeah.
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 Need baby clothes?
No.
No babies.
No babies.
And I'm too old to start now, so.
Somebody made that.
Yeah. It's a lot of work.
Yep. Oh, look at that. Wasn't I just saying?
Yeah, there's a paint thrower right there. $90 though.
I know.
I think you can come in.
All. So, is there two of them? Or what's that?
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. Maybe you do get two sets.
But it's one. Like that one looks new.
Yeah, that one looks like it's never been used.
Oh yeah, this one's been used. Well used.
I'd say.
Oh, these. It's a pretty little globe. How much is this thing? Is it? Oh no. Oh wait, no. Just says antique lights. So I don't know.
We could ask.
Was it $5? Was that over it? Oh, it has this is almost always not with it.
Right.
The chains are almost always not with it.
Is that just one? No, that's three
This is
separate.
This is one.
That's one, yes.
this
And then
is
those are two globes.
for something else.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no base, but I can often find things that need globes.
Right. Just wondering what you're asking for the antique lights here.
I think there's a...
Well, there's a
There's a bag with
bag to the right.
$5 on it.
We don't know if that was associated.
Yeah.
No, that was for, I think, this.
Oh,
Okay.
I guess I should have put that tag on. Yeah, how much? You didn't mark them, so. $10?
I'll think about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, come back when you don't find what you're looking for.
Okay. Yeah, thanks. You too.
Look at this chair.
Oh, wow. It's a high heel shoe.
Yeah, it's fun.
Shoe betcha.
Yeah, go.
It's
Morning.
hilarious.
Oh, are these eavesdrop things?
Wow. Soffits or whatever.
To know the covers, to not let the leaves in.
Oh.
Yeah, we have to put new
Like
eave
leaf
troughs-
guard or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, a new eave troughs on, and
They didn't like those.
they put on bigger ones.
Oh. Ceiling fan?
Oh, yeah. Here's another one.
No, not a fan.
Well, not a fan. No, just a light fixture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Have a good day. If I had a spot, I would definitely, because I love it. And especially because it has the taps.
You'll regret it.
Well, I'll write it down, and then if I lose sleep tonight, you might see me tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, this one was on yesterday. It's on today and tomorrow. And started about an hour ago. It's a two-family sale. And front door entrance.
Oh, okay. So it's inside the house.
I think so.
Okay. Okay.
Might be this one.
Yeah, it is that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Okay.
Maybe the front door of the garage.
Oh,
Because the
okay.
gate's open.
Oh, yeah.
Or front entrance.
Garage sale.
Ah, yeah.
Come to garage, it says.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, look at these raised flower beds.
Yeah.
Cool. With the lights on them, looks like.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, it smells good in here.
Is it router bits?
You betcha. Ooh. I have quite a few.
$100.
Yeah. Oh, another. The viewers would like to come and undo this, some of them.
Oh,
They said that about the last time I pulled up all those other big handful.
right.
People were like, oh, I'd like to sit there and untangle all of that. No, I don't think so. It's heavy though, they're glass.
These are LED light bulbs here.
Well, I have quite a few.
Okay. Well, we found the jewelry.
Of course I found the jewelry. Silly thing to say. Oh, look at that. That is cool. Well, the sparkly stuff, I'm like a crow. I just go right to it. Isn't that pretty?
Little scooper for the green bin, but she likes her jar.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice.
You want this for the other
It
one
has
for the,
earrings.
the soil? Yeah, the soil.
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
Might have to get that one.
Some other sparklies in there.
I know. Will I wear that with pearls? I wonder.
I don't know.
I know. It's so pretty. I think for $3 I'll get it. You hold.
Oh, I do. You ladies are just my excuse.
Just that.
Just that, $3?
Yep. There you go.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Nice. You know, mine are
Yeah, it'll dress up just a plain outfit so nicely. Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Hi, sweetie. Hello. Such a little cutie.
Yeah, he's can be indifferent sometimes.
Oh, really? Hi, honey.
Hello.
Not so. You know, he's choosy, so he must like you.
Aw,
Hi, buddy.
yes. That's good. Oh, yeah, the ear scratches.
Oh,
And the butt
and
scratches.
the spots. Hey, Susie. Oh, there's a good boy.
He's a good guy. Yeah.
Nice and warm in the sun.
Yeah, that's his favorite.
Oh, yeah. Okay. That's funny that sometimes he's indifferent.
Yeah. Sometimes he's like, nah, not in the mood.
Not you.
Yeah. You're not allowed to touch me.
Yeah. Don't.
Yeah. It's pretty funny.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Been some slim pickings so far today.
Oh my goodness, like one thing in every...
boy.
I'm looking. I was like, if there's like drywall screws, I'll buy those, but nope, of every other screw in the world. But not that. Okay, so...